Another new tool announced at the Canva Create event was the Magic Design tool. So here on Canva's home screen, if I use this right arrow to see the rest of the new tools here, I'll see this Magic Design option. So if I click this here, it's going to tell me, hey, start by uploading an image, and then it's going to tell me it's going to give you multiple custom templates to get an idea of what your results will be, and it's going to help us save time. Now I can click try it out here, but before I do that, let me just point out that if you didn't find it down here, you'll also notice that if you come under Create a Design now, right under this Create a Design window that pops up at the bottom, you have Start Creating from Your Own Media. So if I uploaded an image from here or imported an image from here, that would accomplish the same thing as launching the tool does down here. But so I'll launch it this way, and we'll go ahead and click Try It Out. Now, when you first do this, step one is going to be to upload an image. Now, I did this once before, so I uploaded a picture of this gentleman here, and you can see it's automatically given me a bunch of templates to choose from, but I'm going to start from scratch here, and I'm going to upload some more media. So anytime you do that, you'll start by coming under this media panel, and you'll choose a file here, and you can choose and upload something, or you can see your recent uploads down here. So if I come in here on my recent uploads, I can choose something that way, but I can also choose and upload something this way. So I'm just going to come in here, I'm going to upload a picture of our dog Turbo. And so if you uploaded something like this, a picture of a dog, then Canva is going to use this artificial intelligence and come up with what it thinks is going to be some design options that might work for you. So we can see that it says missing cat, DIY pupcakes, lost dog, lost cat. So my dog is so weird that it's not sure if it's a dog or a cat. He is kind of funny looking, but you get the idea. It also has a happy birthday one here. It also has an adoption please. And then here's another birthday thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to come through these and hopefully find one that sort of matches what you're looking for. But before you do that, you can also do some styling before you even launch one of these projects. So you could also come under the styling tab, find colors that make more sense to you. So you can go through here, and these are giving you some different style, different colors, different font faces. So like maybe I want to see this one, so I could apply all these results, and it's going to go ahead and apply those results. And then it's going to give us a moment, and then there you go. It's going to relaunch all these previews here with those new colors and styles applied. You also have a headline option here where you could come in here, and so maybe it was a birthday thing, so I could put in happy birthday, and then his name's Turbo, so I could actually put in his name here, Turbo. And again, all these are just to give you more of a jump start on your project, save you a little time, so that's automatically going to be in there when you launch any of these projects. Now, I could also clear all and start over, but let's go ahead and say, hey, I like this one here, so I could go ahead and click on this, and then it's going to launch that project. Customize this template. Yes, I'm going to customize this template. Okay, so you get the idea. This Magic Design tool is just another way for you to very quickly generate content and create a design. And this time you're doing it based on some sort of media that you already have. So a video, a picture, and then it's going to give you some ideas for what it thinks you want to create. You can do those little styling options, and then boom, you can launch your design. And very quickly like that, you have a visual asset. Now, of course, you can still do all the conventional things you normally did. So if you didn't find a good starting project, you could still launch something. You can still come in here under templates. You could search for something totally different. So I'm just going to put in adoption or something. I think it did have an adoption option already, but of course you could come in here and you could still do it this way where you're just replacing the current page. Of course, then you would have to drag in a picture of Turbo again. So there are always multiple ways to do things inside of Canva, but this Magic Design option where you upload an image is now one of your new choices that you have. So give it a try, see what you think. Sometimes if you are starting a campaign or something based on a couple graphics or a single graphic, this is a great way to very quickly get some ideas, launch some designs. So try out this new feature in Canva and let me know what you think. Hey, this is Greg. Thanks so much for checking out this video. You can give it a like below if you found it helpful, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and set up notifications if you want to stay up on all the latest information all about Canva. Thanks again, and have an awesome day.